In this short 3.5 minute video, we're going to take a focus on the straight razor and using it in a very clean and controlled manner to remove weight and cut a perimeter line on a long haircut. So the first part that we're going to look at is clean sectioning. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and it's very important when you're cutting hair with the razor that you keep your sections clean. Also, you can see my sections are complementary to the model's head shape. That really helps me to maneuver around the head quickly and efficiently. So keep it clean. Here we're going to look at the weight removal, and you can see in this section I'm elevated from my previous section. In this slow motion you can see that I'm using the stroke of the blade to remove weight and clean and precise sections of weight. I'm not just sliding through and tearing away pieces of hair in an uncontrolled way. So in this section here you can see the hair being cut from the center out to the left using the heel side of the blade. Notice how many strokes it takes to get through to the hair and how much control there is on cutting each and every piece of hair. It's going to create a very soft line. This is a look once again at some weight removal. The weight removal in this haircut is being used to give the hair some movement in a haircut that has very little to no layers. So what you can see here is going from the center out to the right. This is what we call the toe side. You can see in the close-up the depth of the stroke. You can also see how many strokes and how much control there is in each and every cut. That's what we're talking about when we're talking about control. How soft can you make it? If you ever look at a child's hairline, you ever look at, the ends of a child's hair, there's never a bluntness to it. It's just soft and fluid. So that's what we mimic here, is, having a line that looks like it grew from nature. So what we're showing here is the peaks and the valleys of your stroke, and how a very controlled stroke can create a very tapered and soft line. When you have a stroke that's more fast and more furious and you go through the hair more quickly, it's going to create a heavier, chunkier line. That doesn't look as good, it doesn't grow out as well. So you really want control and softness. So here we're just taking a look at the finished product on wet hair, and then you can see it on dry hair, how it came out. So this is all just hand dried, and that's not been touched up in any way. That's what you get. Clean texture, clean line, but you gotta do it right the first time. So that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you want some more, hit me up or hit up the Left Brain group for more information.